Did you know that your Tesla might have more than 2 OBD ports? Yes, if you own a Model 3 or Y built between late 2020 and early 2024, your car has 2 ports to which you can connect your smart accessories, like our Commander. One is located at the front A-pillar regardless of whether your car is right-hand or left-hand drive. The second is inside your center console and can either be at the rear, under the air vent, or at the front left by the driver's footwell. Now, you might ask, what's the difference between the two installation methods? Let's break it down. The right A-pillar port, what we call the front installation port, lets you fully hide both the wire and the Commander inside the panel, which might not be possible with the central console installation. But that's not even the best part. The front installation gives you access to advanced features such as muting the intelligent speed assist, autopilot penalty prevention, and on top of that, the extra data from this port enables new visuals on the sexy dash, like the last detected traffic sign, the autopilot state, the blind spot visualization, and much more. That said, even though the rear OBD port doesn't support these features, it has a major benefit. You can install the Commander in just about 1 minute. If your port is located under the air vent, all you need to do is remove the panel held by just a few pins and daisy chain our cable into your car's wiring. The downside? On some models there's not enough space to hide the Commander, so you may need to place it between the center console and the passenger seat, just like that. And if you own a Model Y built from June 2023 until late 2024, your rear port may have been moved to the side of the center console. This is actually a great location as it lets you hide all the wiring, even though it still doesn't unlock the advanced features we mentioned earlier. Oh, and if you own a Model 3 Highland or the new Model Y Juniper, you only have the front installation port available. So, now you know the key differences between installing the Commander at the front A-pillar versus the central console port. We recommend everyone to go for the front option just so they can take advantage of all the advanced features, but in the end, it's entirely up to you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel as we've got more educational videos coming soon.